you get when you combine sweetbread, cinnamon and sugar, and a whole lot of honey? An ooey gooey honey bun, that's what. And Dutch's Honey Buns fries up nearly 1 million of them every day. You watch, I'm gonna eat. So you've heard of a honey bun, right?
A honey bun has a soft, sweet taste. When you take a bite, it's so soft it just melts in your mouth.
Honey buns are a Southern staple. The very first Dutch's Honey Bun was born in North Carolina.
My father started a company in 1934, and it was, started as a sandwich business. By 1948, he started to add some bakery products. One that they introduced was a honey bun.
But it wasn't until 1992 that the rest of the world got to enjoy these sticky rolls.
For a long time, we didn't think it was something that would, transfer out of the South, but it's proven to be popular throughout the United States.
In fact, at the Dutch's Honey Bun Factory in Charlotte, North Carolina, they can't roll them out fast enough. It all starts with a 750-pound batch of dough.
This is the mixer where we add the flour, secret ingredient, shortening, water, sugar, and then our yeast.
After it mixes, the dough sits for half an hour, allowing it to rise and ferment.
The way you can tell this dough's properly mixed is you should be able to see through it.
The dough drops into a hopper and comes out of an extruder that lays it flat. Then a sheeter presses the dough even thinner.
This is where we apply the cinnamon sugar.
And check this out. With the sweet coating good to go, the dough wraps around a roller called a torpedo. The dough snakes its way to a guillotine that chops it into bun-sized slices. One batch makes 4,800 buns. After the buns rest inside a proofer, they're ready for some heat. But they don't bake these buns like most cinnamon rolls. Instead, they drop into a giant fryer for 90 seconds.
Halfway through the fryer, they're flipped, so you get them color on both sides and get both sides evenly fried.
Finally, workers whip up the glaze, and it's time to bring in the sweet stuff. But you won't see a sticky, drippy mess. They use dried honey in a powder form.
We're using dry honey because it's much more convenient to use than the liquid honey. We can incorporate it into this mix we have of kind of the secret ingredients that make our honey bun unique.
Now the sweet rolls ride beneath a shower of the rich honey glaze.
After the glaze is applied, it will go and cool for 35 minutes on a spiral cooler, and then it will go upstairs to be wrapped and packaged to be sent out to the customer.
And since folks can't get them hot off the line, honey bun makers insist there's only one way to sink your teeth into a honey bun.
Certainly the best way to get it is to pop it in the microwave for a few seconds and heat it up, because it brings back a lot of the flavor and texture of one that's hot off the line.